let's do it.
What the? I need it on my desk now! Woo! Oh! A shower head that triples your water pressure. Alright, this is my regular water pressure. Let me keep the same water level and let's switch to a new one. Okay, this one goes in. Oh. Alright. Oh! How? It goes all the way to the ceiling. Oh! This is even stronger. Oh! I like this mode. Oh! Feels good. Easy installation, super affordable, big upgrade. Even filters your water and gives you 5 extra filters. Guys,